The Adventures of Treasure Island. Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, there lived a group of adventurous kids named Jack, Lily, and Ben. One sunny day, as they played near the beach, they stumbled upon an old weathered map that promised the location of hidden treasure on the mysterious island. Excitement filled their hearts as they decided to embark on a thrilling journey to find the legendary treasure. Armed with curiosity and a sense of adventure, the trio set sail on a makeshift boat, following the map clues and the shimmering compass needle. As they sailed through the sparkling waves, the kids encountered friendly dolphins and playful seagulls, turning their journey into a magical adventure. The map led them to a lush, uninhabited island surrounded by trees and echoing with the sound of exotic birds. Following the map's marking, they transferred through the dense jungle, crossed babbling streams, and climbed to the top of the rocky hill. At the summit, they discovered a hidden cave entrance covered in vines and shimmering with mystery. Inside the cave, the kids found not just glittering jewels and shiny coins, but also an old pirate chest filled with golden memories and tales of the past. The treasure, it seemed, wasn't just gold and gems but the joy of the journey and the bond of friendship found along the way. As they sailed back to their village, the sun setting in a warm embrace, the kids knew they had found something more valuable than any treasure chest. The true treasure was the adventure they shared, the lesson they learned, and the laughter they echoed through the island. The story of the Jack, Lily, and Ben's Treasure Island adventure became a favorite tale among the village children, inspiring them to dream big and embark on their own imaginative journeys, discovering treasures of friendship and joy. And so, the magic of the treasure island lived on in the hearts and imaginations of kids for generations to come.